Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can show employee leave summary in Darwinbox. So first is you just have to log in to your Darwinbox account. And then after that, look for reports, which is here. So click on this one. After that is select roster category. So it's in here. So you just have to click on this drop down menu. And then select leave roster, which is here at the bottom. After selecting that, you just have to select leave balance. So here, click on this one. After selecting that, here you just have to click in here and select the report filter. So select report filter and tap on all my reportees here. After that is you can use filters like by date range, theme, leave type, or office location to customize the report view. And this features gives you a clear or at a glance insight into specific teams or time periods. Now the summary report includes the total leave taken, remaining leave balance, leave types like for example vacation, sick, personal. So this will help the managers understand leave trends, track compliance, plan staffing, and identify any unexpected patterns. So most systems allow you to export the summary as Excel or PDF. So you can also schedule automated reports or share with other stakeholders, enabling easy distribution. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!